Hey, what's up, guys? DekeRelaxShacks.com. Wanted to plug an upcoming Tiny Houses Australia, Tiny House Festival, Bendigo, Victoria, Australia. Check it. Also have a video on an upcoming or a recent A-frame, transforming A-frame that was built by my plan set, which you can find at RelaxShacks.com. Many versions of this have been completed. Here's what I wanted to share, though. This is cool. Stumbled upon this on Facebook Marketplace. I will put a link below if the sale is still active. This was a little while ago. If it's not, I just won't bother. But it's a converted Cadillac. This is actually something that was done back in the day because I've found more than a few of these online, specifically with Cadillacs, because they can, carry quite a load, apparently. It's like a Frankenstein DIY self-made camper or RV. Kind of a tiny house on wheels. I like the natural wood in here, how sparse it is, how open. It is very dated, but therein kind of lies the kitsch or the beauty of the vintage look of this. Maybe not the P-limit juvenile sign there, although I kind of got a kick out of that. But it even has, as you can see, facilities that need a little sprucing up. Here's a shot I grabbed, and again, if it's still up online, I want to help this person out. But my concern is the thing back heavy, meaning if you put too much weight in the back of it, or the front tires could be coming off the ground a little bit. I don't know. Maybe some of you guys have seen these before. Here's a shot of the interior. Almost looks like it's standing height in there. You can see the range to the right of it inside this structure. Very hokey but cool at the same time. The appliances, the kitchen, the sink are that very dated 1950s look, and everything else is just simple plywood build-wise. And here's what I'm talking about. See how far the cantilever's off the back, spare tire and all? Would something like that not topple, but would the front wheels become almost airborne while driving if you were to overload it? In any case, just want to share with you guys. Please subscribe, and we will see you soon.